简单嚟食哦，
什麼龍皮啊？
魚啊，
我冇去炸魚。
我就係魚啊。
So ayun na nga, I don't like fish in general. Ayoko ng malansa, ayoko ng matinik, pero itong pinadala ng Tinapa is Life, wala yung dalawang ayaw ko. They sent over their tilapia fillet, boneless bangus, and galunggong fillet. This also means supporting local, kasi yung tinapa nila ay freshly caught in Bataan. Served clean at smoked using untreated mahogany wood. Kaya malinis ang lasa, hindi mapait at hindi malansa. Pero syempre habang niluluto natin, may konting amoy talaga. Normal yan sa tinapa. Kaya buti na lang meron tayong Brett and Bella linen spray. This is owned by my schoolmate. Started as a DIY project for their wedding. Tapos sobrang bango ni-recommend ng friends nila na gawing business. Speaking of business, back to tinapa tayo. Alam nyo ba, pwede rin kayo maging reseller ng Tinapa is Life. Kasi itong tinapa nila, although hindi phenomenal yung lasa, pero solid siyang pang-ulam. Yung tipong papasa pang araw-araw. Pero itong gourmet tinapa nila with chili crab, iba ang usapan. Legit, mapapakanin ka talaga sa sarap. So if you're interested to try or kung gusto nyo maging reseller, check out Tinapa is Life. This is their website for more details. And I'm John C. Thanks for watching.